everybody. This is Diane with Crafting with Fury. I hope each and every one of you are safe and healthy, no matter where you are. This is a very special day. This is Memorial Day, and on this day, we remember those that have given their life to protect us, that have fought for this country and for us to be in a free country. And I want to thank each and every one of them that did this. And for those, I want to thank for those today that are still giving their lives, that are risking their lives for us, that are fighting each and every day so that you and I can have freedom. Thank you from the bottom of my heart to each and every one of you that are serving. Thank you so much. I am here, like I said, with a design team project, share, and tutorial for Craspire. And I will leave all the links down below of their products that I've used. And don't forget, if you use Diane 5, you can save on your next order. I would truly appreciate it. What we're going to do is we are going to alter an index card. And an index card, everyone knows what this is. And I got mine from the Dollar Tree. These are, they're not real sturdy index cards. I know some of them can be sturdier. And so what I did with mine, I actually put a piece of chipboard. I glued it on the index card, and then I put paper on the front and the back to make it more sturdy. And then what I could do is I can put my information on the back and send it to a crafty friend. And what we're going to be using today, guys, and I guess I do need to go ahead and get my wax melting, is, you know me, I like to think of different ways to use a wax seal. And the next project share I'm going to do, I started thinking, I didn't even think about sealing an envelope for what wax seals were truly created for. So the next time we are going to seal an envelope, because I've never done that before. Crazy. I know, crazy. But what we're going to use today is we're going to use this key wax seal. Okay. And then I have got all the metallic markers that you can get in one pack, which I love. And guys, you can use these more than on wax. They can use on your darker papers and whatever. And they're metallic, so I love them, love them, love them. And I'm going to use some clear wax because I was kind of playing with them. And I thought, you know what would be pretty cool? Is to put a wax seal on this, but the clear you can still see through. And then I used the metallic marker. I think I used this one because I wanted it to match the paper. Might have been that one. And I thought, ooh, I love that. So what I did was I went ahead and just kind of created one. And I thought, oh yeah, that's what I love. That's what I love. And then I did a white one. Look how pretty. And you can color it any color you want. So we are going to get started, and then we will decorate this together. And our wax is almost melted. Won't take but just a couple more minutes. And what we'll decorate this with is I have these Tim Holtz quote chips that we're going to use, and this is Theories. I think I got it from Hobby Lobby. There you go. So while that's finished melting, let's kind of look and see which one we like the best. Blessed are the curious, love with all your heart, keep room for the unimaginable, love these. When nothing is sure, everything is possible. Lucky is a state of mind. Follow your heart. Never stop exploring. Be true to you. Go see, explore. Make a wish. Be authentic. Kind of like that one. Shine Like the Stars in My Heart. Limited edition. Ta-da! That's what we're going to use because these are like really old books. So see how perfect is that? All right. So we will use that here just a second, and we're going to use our key. I want to make sure how I want it to stamp before I stamp it. All right, guys, let's go ahead. I used 4 of the clear wax beads. All right, so let's pour it in the middle. All right. Okay. We'll let that set up. I feel like I'm getting a little better. With my wax seals, but that one's kind of run a little bit further than what I wanted. But you know what? That's all right. That's okay. And so now, while we're letting that set up, where are we going to put our limited edition at? We could put it there, and I got some flowers we can decorate. Thought we could do that. Let's see here. Yep, I like that. Let's see, I like that. And maybe we could put a couple. Can you hear the bull? Maybe we can do it like that in the corner there. And you know what? We could do it in the corner here. Yes, I think so. And when this wax, the clear, when it dries, you can still see the imprint on the back, or on the back side of it. So it's clear, and I wanted to show the paper. And this paper is from Stamperia, and it is this paper here, Old Lace. Love this paper. You'll see it a lot, guys. I have a feeling you will definitely see it a lot. Alrighty. I love it, love it, love it. All right. So let's go ahead and give that a little bit more time, and let's glue our flowers down. I think these are so fun to make. So fun to make. Let's put that under there. There we go. Forgive the look of the desk, guys. I like to use this little mat to protect my table. Let's put that right there. And let's flip her around. And let's get this one glued down. I don't know how your all's weather's been, but we had very cold weather here in Kentucky this weekend. I know it's kind of put a damper on everybody's outside activities this Memorial Day weekend. Been cold, which is odd for this time of year. Alrighty, put that here. We'll put a flower here. And let's check our wax seal. Ta-da! Yeah, it kind of ran a little bit further than what I wanted. But that's okay. That's all right, because it's clear and you can still see through it, and it kind of seals that. So now, I think that's all the flowers we want. All right, so let's use these markers, these metallic markers from Craspire, to pop the key out, and let's use this bronzy color. I think that will be perfect. And what is so cool about these, it's hard to see the key, and voila, there is the key. Pops right out. And you know what? I think I want a darker color. Let's try this one here. Yep, there we go. We want it to pop out from the paper, and we're going to do this around it. Love this. Wonder what this color is. Maybe that was the bronze one. Okay, I think this is the bronze one, and it's not dried yet, so I'm going to take a baby wipe, and I'm going to get that off. You can get a paper towel, which is cool with wax, because if you don't like the way it looks, you can just get it off, wipe it off, and try again. And that's what we're going to do. So let's do the bronzy one. Let's see if this one is the one we want. Yep, that's the one we want. That's what's fun with crafting. It's trial and error. But that's what's cool with these metallic markers. With the wax, if you don't like it, you can take it off. And there we go. What you think, guys? That's better, ain't it? And it matches. It matches the darker brown tones in the index card. All right. So now we're going to put limited edition here somewhere. We don't want to cover up a lot of that because it's so pretty. How about right there? Let's do that. So let's put this chipboard. I'm going to use my hot glue. You could use regular glue if you wanted to. Me and my hot glue gun. We're going to put it right here. Love it. Love it, love it. And see, these index cards are just like little pieces of art. Now, this is too white on here, so I'm going to distress it. I've got my ground espresso distress ink, and I'm just going to kind of grungy it up some. And I think the wax seal on this just gives it that unique, different look. Ta-da! See? Look at that. Now, see, that just kind of blends in a little better. All right, let's see. What else does it need, if anything else? You know, I'm going to try something with these flowers because they're awful bright. I'm just going to look if I could tone them down with this distress ink. I mean, of course we like dark or bright gold, but sometimes you want it to be vintage looking, and that's what we're going to do. All right, guys, we are about done, and I'm trying to think if we need anything else. I don't want to put any more bling on it because I don't want to take away from the wax seal, because a wax seal, you know, from very olden days, and with these look like old books, that's what I thought would be super cool with it. And what do you think? I'm thinking it needs something else, but I don't know what it is. And I don't want to put any more bling on it. You know what? I have a hard time stopping. And I think I'm going to leave it as it is, because, well, you know what we could do? We could glossy accent this. Let's do that. This tag. We can do that. Nope, I think I'm done. I don't want to mess with any more of the paper, and there we go, guys. I think we got it done. Here is my altered index card for Craspire. And see, your wax seals, and look at the clear. I think I'm truly loving this clear, guys. And they have all kinds of wax seals that you can get in their store. So, what you think? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for hanging with me. I truly appreciate it. And everyone, please go check out Craspire. I think you'll truly love their products. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.